In this video, I will show you how to set a time limit for apps on iPhone. First, open the settings of your iPhone. Go to Screen Time. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Next, open App Limits. Tap on Add Limit. Enter your passcode. In the screen that opens, you can select one or more apps at once to set the limit. Tap on the section to expand the list of apps. Next, select one or more applications. After that, tap on Next at the top right corner of the screen. And set the time limit. You can also set the time for each day of the week. When you're done with the settings, tap Add in the top right corner of the screen. The time limit for the application will be set. Thank you for watching.